Anto, may tatagpo siya na nakas, anto, akin na nawala natin yung dish ko yung Tiki Masala. It's like, I don't even know where it's from, pero...
Siguro din India.
India or something like that, siguro. Anto, yung tabihan sa, that would be a good, like, sa itong phone number pa, was up an artist or something. Pero mabay, check it pa Spotify, and there was tatong hina sinagab.
Oh no!
And then, escucho usted nim kabisa kabisa, how about Tiki Masawa? You know, like, hey. Paso, it's like, basta si Bono takwarda, but dispenser with Tiki Masala, quite a dish.
Exactly.
And then, it's Tiki Masawa. So, and I liked it, so, nos tu Mr. Tiki Masawa,
Siguro ko si.
So, this might actually like the name for the first time. Kumapinsa about artist name, just I decided to go with it.
I like it so much. Kung siguro hinadami por follow bo diba social media ba diba artist name Tiki Masawa.
Correct. Kaya nag-lugay ito on Spotify.
Wow. Pero siguro kinamiss na ko lang may maparequest this song aki anytime, of course.
Si officially sali officially pero basically bottom mandela pa Spotify and nanta release so it's nanga duna okay ikaw pa award release but when
falta i-release miss.
It's correct. Anto mitay tredi tama yung brother di mit na Holanda kinanan at tama basically ito Holandese pero Rubian so ito blanco but ito actually Holandese pero ito biba sinopit yung pinang kunta asa takka naman ni Rubian.
Si completo ki ko bogiman.
Abli po ko man gimen?
Si,
ante guy di ko may ang mababo nome kaya ka nome Afrikano ki. Eu me lese bom. Wow.
Yeah. Nice. Siguro ang pa sa tambe basa kung otro song, prome about yung otro artist name, lo cual también nos disfrutar DJ. Este song Madiki.
Correcto, sí.
Sí, tambe amazing song. Thanks for sharing that with us. Y so Pami, especialmente pa escuchaba din mane fulong otro género de música. Tawata mind-blowing.
Oh, thank you. See, actually, met bezig kung EP tambe just een small album ko electronic dance music. Dus van Tiki Mas house styling, not minimalistic house, pero melodic techno, algo así, Tiki house techno. Dus zei tambe, pero tambe po met Tiki Masawa, dus we kuhin bij busca met Tiki of Cacho Racista, no lo hay zei tambe.
Great.
And basically met tambe met escribiendo story nan kwartikel, dus een short story, de 4 pages over die ecos nan come track antica di dus vooral de EP Rubiano. I mean, populist story over Cacho Racista. Er heb een blog, dus je wil visit my you will visit Instagram, but I link pababay na.
That's so cool. Kimenta may nambo parang Tiki Mas backstory di lo cual ku quizás bota pasa din pa siniki skibibo canción ng tambe.
No, not really. So, misa ko tingin ko basta awe mesmo dati yung conversation ko um senhora antes de saber não é cantiga que me nesse não é cantiga que me nesse e já is aí le ku tu hina po like interpretar na mesmo coisa na mesmo meaning de cantiga.
Claro.
Pero no, ito mas descrevi characters nan kuta dus Cacho kuta racista ya mapini bertje. Ito tingi ko sa pasa ko niya dus I wrote a story about what happened to the dog.
Okay.
No correlation ding story of the cantiga kimas about the subject, not about what the song is about.
Okay, no, but still very interesting pa siniki toch por hay epida info tambi.
Sim, dai, ja, no sa terras ni uno jeans ta bing, di uno chocolate bing, bateria ng telephone dus. Hindi kita log plug pa hinadami sa Tiki Mas characters na.
Sí, definitely. So kung ami mahti yamabo, bitang ko yamabo Tiki Masawa, of mi mahti yamabo na ba birth name?
No, bumahti mami, no, it's a decent.
Okay.
When I make the songs,
No, of course. No, well,
Rumang. And now people schwengel, it doesn't, the zone.
Yeah, ito zone un poco diferente, ¿verdad? Y me te quiere especialmente si vos escucha el nombre Ebo no lo piensa pawak-abo. Right?
No, at all. Ito bong pa man job interviews na hula, no?
Definitely. Maripara.
Mina pukere ku police nung kana awami ID and I'm like, yeah, right.
This looks fake, sir. Like,
vooral IFO en dan ook nog eens zwengelen. Like, come on, dude. Practical joke.
I know. Oh my God. We always have so much fun. Pero siguro mi kay agradecibo pa sinigitumurato ng modia pa sinigikomparti ko nos bo new song. Mi dabay los worky mes pa siniginos tour por disfrutar DJ. E sowieso mi to spera di tende di bo pronto a trove pa bo electronic music. But tech house music.
Dank je. Wel, no, otsi mga guys because no.
Well, no, let's go.
Oh yeah, okay, well, dito lost. Mi quiero que tu hele danki ko to escuchando hin in sintonia na ruba anto I hope you guys enjoy the song. I made it. I enjoyed making it anto spero ko po sa gustele. Anto yeah. That's it.
Awesome. Well, as sinigita out on Spotify tambe, please share it kunos pa sinikinos pa share ko to rin na nambo kumi sa stream sa kitambe. Pero in the meantime, gotta request it na kulafamis. We got you. Well, see you soon. Enjoy your Friday. But I'm going to walk a match di Holanda.
No, but actually by walk movies, I guess. So.
Oh, but that's fun too.
Yeah. And the matches that like mitawak is some like a compilation from this place, like saves some time.
Ah, well, no sabay man nabo po tret ko no sa pasando pretribo oranje plain.
Oh well, boom.